The Autel Maxisys MS906 Pro-TS scanner delivers deep, all-system diagnostics across a wide range of modern vehicles, making it a strong choice for serious repair work. Its integrated tire pressure module handles sensor activation, relearn, and programming with impressive coverage so tire and wheel jobs become faster and more reliable. Support for control unit coding and adaptation lets experienced users tweak settings, restore functions after repairs, and solve issues that basic readers simply cannot touch. A large, high-resolution touchscreen, fast multi-core processor, and generous storage make the tablet feel responsive in busy shop environments. Dozens of guided maintenance routines, from oil and brake service to battery and throttle procedures, help standardize workflows and reduce guesswork for technicians. Cloud-based reporting, wireless printing, and remote expert support round out the package, turning the scanner into a connected hub for diagnostics and documentation.